guys, it's Davita with WTI. I have to tell you all about this awesome wireless charging pad by Anker. I've had this charging pad for quite some time now, and it's still running smoothly as it should. I've had it so long that you can even see that the color of the logo has changed now, but that just shows you that it's gonna last you a really long time. What I love about it is that it has a flat surface here. So any of your devices like your phone that has wireless charging capability, or even your AirPods, fit easily right on the top of here and start charging right away. I typically leave this next to my bed at night. I charge my bed overnight, which I know is not always good to do, but that's what I do. But this is great for if you're traveling or even at an office space. This is awesome just to have on your desk. So I love using this. I think it's a really affordable price, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. And that's my point of view.